After receiving the machine, please check the package in turn to confirm whether the model, configuration, color, accessories, and appearance are normal. Remove all protective and securing packaging materials. Switch the distance of the foot of the machine according to the actual demand. Remove the tank and clean with water. Fill the tank with pure water. Plug in. Turn on the power switch on the lower left side of the data, and check whether the power indicator is on. Install pad stand. Use the pad to scan the app QR code on the stand, or search Wendougee eBar in the App Store to download. After installation, open the app, register an account and log in. Click Add Device. Scan the QR code or manually enter the machine code to connect the machine. Confirm Add Bound Device. Select Added Devices. The operation page of the device is displayed. For the first time, please click the manual button M key on the main page repeatedly until the water comes out of the brewing head. Enter System Settings. Select Boiler Parameters. Turn on Steam Heating and Brew 1 Heating and set parameters. Install Anti-Scalding Ring. Install Coffee Handle. After the coffee machine is heated, you can begin to make coffee.